Hey guys, today I found a juice shop. It's called Hugo. It's located in Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's see what they have. Hey, good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What's up?
Do you guys have smoothie?
You do?
Can I have smoothie with berries, please?
Sure. Absolutely. Just give me a minute. There you go, my friend.
But I have $5. So what can I have for $5?
Okay. That's okay. Give me a second.
Okay. I really appreciate it. Oh,
Good. There you go. 5. Yeah.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Hope he gets more money tomorrow.